In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on your Gmail screen, a simple yet incredibly useful trick if you ever find yourself squinting at your emails or needing more room to view them at once. Adjusting the zoom level can really help tailor your browsing experience to your personal preference or needs, making it more pleasant and efficient. First things first, let's open up your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, take a look at the top right corner of your browser window. Here, you should see an icon that looks like three dots stacked vertically or sometimes depicted as three horizontal lines, depending on which browser you are using. This is commonly referred to as the menu icon. Give this icon a click. By doing so, you're accessing your browser's settings menu, which provides a variety of options pertinent to your browsing experience. After clicking on the menu icon, a drop-down menu will appear. You will need to locate the Zoom section within this menu. It's normally quite straightforward to find, but in case you're having trouble, it is often positioned in the middle of this menu, and you might see the word Zoom followed by a percentage number that indicates the current zoom level of your browser screen. Once you have found the Zoom section, you'll notice there are usually three important symbols: a minus sign, a plus sign, and right between them, a percentage number showing your current zoom level. The minus sign and plus sign are the key here. To zoom out, simply click on the minus sign. Each click on the minus sign will slightly decrease the zoom level, making everything on your Gmail screen, emails, folders, and buttons included, appear smaller and fitting more content onto the screen. It's particularly helpful if you're looking to see more email threads at once without having to scroll as much. On the contrary, if you find that you've zoomed out too much and it's becoming hard to read your emails, don't worry. You can always click the plus sign to zoom back in and adjust to your perfect viewing level. Remember, these changes only affect your browser's view, so they don't alter the way your emails will be viewed by others. Similarly, if you switch to another browser or device, you might need to reset these zoom levels as they are typically browser and device specific. I hope this tutorial assists you in creating a more comfortable Gmail experience tailored just for you. I encourage you to try adjusting the zoom to see what works best for your reading comfort and screen real estate. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.